Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be taking down my mini braids, and I left this on for 1 month and 3 weeks. I'm not very sure because I can't remember. I shot this video a while ago and I was just too lazy to post it. So I'm going to be taking it down my Mega Growth Leave-In Conditioner, to soften it up and to minimize breakage a little. And so I maintained this braid using I was spraying it with water from my spray bottle, and I'll either apply leave-in conditioner or my hair cream I made myself, which is made of um shea butter, palm kernel oil, rosemary leaves, and honey. Yeah, so every other week I'll spray it with water and apply either leave-in conditioner or that cream. So if I apply leave-in conditioner this week, next week is going to be the hair cream, and it kind of made my hair, like, it made it shiny while still on this braid, made it look very shiny and look very soft. And I would say that I'm going to do this more often because the growth that I got from this was very, very, very excellent. It was magnificent. It was, name it, as you can see here in this clip, the growth is growing. I don't even know if that makes sense, but the growth is growing. It grew. It grew. I was not about to say it grew. I was not about to say it grew. It grew, and I'm so impressed. I'll do this more often, but right now I'm not doing it. Maybe I'll start by probably next year, because November, already in the month of November, guys. I lose this hair in September, and I'm posting in November. I apologize. So November, December is going to be beautiful hair because my birthday is November and December is Christmas. So beautiful hair to the ends. As you can see, I am taking it down very slowly, very intentionally, so I don't come out my strands from my scalp, because I am not a wild woman. I'm very gentle most of the time. So yeah, I'm waiting for this clip to go by so I can show you something. Yes, move along, move along. So this is what I was waiting for. Yeah, the growth is growing. It grew. It grew. I'm so impressed. I left this on for 1 month and 3 weeks, and I don't know. I feel like I grew a lot. It grew. I grew, or it grew. Whatever. Something grew. So I'm done yapping for today. I hope you enjoyed the rest of the clip, and I admonish you. Is that the word? I beg. I advise you to do this. I advise that you try incorporating mini braids into your hair styling routine, if that's a thing. So that's what I have for today. I just intend to keep this video very short because there's no point in making this longer than this. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.